Going to talk about formatting the SD card on these Tascam audio recorders. This works for the new recorder like this one, the DR-07XP version, or some of the older ones, the DR-07s and DR-05 recorders have a similar menu system. But when you put a new SD card in there, or just the first time you put it in, it'll give you a couple of options to which way you want to format the card. If it's a brand new card, I usually recommend the regular erase format almost all the time. The difference between the quick format and the erase format makes a difference in usability and recoverability on these files. So if you already have a card in there and you've been running it for a while and want to quickly erase it to make some room for some new files on there, you can use the quick erase. So with it, you click it, you scroll down to the system section, and once you're in system, select it. You have the option of quick format or erase format. Your quick format, if you've been using the card for a while, it'll just change the table on the SD card. So it basically writes in there where the folders are, and it'll use up any free space on the card that hadn't already been used first before it starts writing over the old files on there. But to get rid of everything entirely, you want to use the erase format. And erase format, it'll replace everything on the card. It'll look for like bad files and different sectors on the card if they have issues, and it'll basically go through and replace everything with zeros. So it makes it to where you more than likely can't recover any information off of old card. So if you got something you don't want anybody seeing and pulling that card out, I'd always use the erase format. It'll go through, replace everything with zeros on there, and it makes it hard for anybody using recover software and find out what's on there. But it also makes sure that if you've used this, say, in a camera before and put the SD card in here and it has a lot of information on it, rewriting everything with zeros, it makes it less likely you're going to have corrupt files when you record audio in the future with it. So it's usually best to use this erase format. Just select it, and ask you to execute it, and then it'll tell you if it's going to erase all data on here. Now, it'll tell you that with both of them, the quick or the erase all, but you just want to go ahead and select yes. In the erase section, it takes longer because it is going through and writing zeros on top of all the old sectors on there and making sure it gets rid of everything. The quick format, it'll be real quick about it, just replacing the table on it, and doesn't go through and replace the zeros. So just repeated use. If you're going to erase it a lot, the quick format does good, but once in a while it's good to go through and do the full erase format and clear everything out to make sure you don't have any bad sectors on there anymore. And also anytime, like I say, you put a brand new card in there, I'd use the erase format, and it does a better job of saving you any issues with problems in the future. So if this helped at all, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.